Welcome to Southern California, the land of traffic. And we're on the motorcycle now. So, I just thought about it, and well, so 170 days from now is an event that happens, a very big event for me. And before anyone starts counting the days, it has nothing to do with 420, the weed smoking day, or Hitler's birthday. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the way right now. So what happens in 170 days besides Hitler's birthday and National Pot Smoking Day? Well, oh Jesus. That's why you always want to have a clear line of sight when you're on a motorcycle in California. These trucks, you want to stay away from them. Not so much away from them, but you want to be able to see around them. You just never know what's in front of them. Obviously, if they're blocking your view. So, anyway, I have sidetracked. 170 days. I can't wait. I can't wait. And I hope I can convince a couple people to be excited with me. I want it to be a surprise for the audience. So audience, I want you to be surprised. In 170 days, I will be very happy. So, I am keeping a secret from the audience already. So come with me on this journey, this adventure, for the next 170 days to figure out what the heck I am talking about. I'm rushing. I need to stop rushing. I'm only risking my own life. And in 170 days, I need to be around. That is one of the requirements. So let's clear a couple things up first. I'm not sick. I'm not going to have any kind of operation or anything like that in 170 days. Just something is going to happen. Something wonderful, something nice, something great, something life-changing. There we go. That's the best way I can say it, without actually saying anything. I'm really bad at keeping secrets, so, well, not that I'm really bad at it, it's just secrets like this that don't really have like a severe effect on anybody. I guess it is kind of a severe effect on me, but that's okay. It's an effect I'm looking forward to. Ow! You know, I like growing a beard. It's nice. It's cool. You get respect out of it. But it has now gotten to the point of length where it is smacking me in the neck and it stings. So, why am I doing this? Well, for one, I've been thinking about and wanting to do YouTube videos for a long time, just like everyone else, and for a lot of people. And instead of me constantly trying to think, what's a good idea, what hasn't been done, what could be my niche, you know, and all these things I think of are already out there, you know, a lot of it's already out there. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna start making them the way I wanna make them, and if they turn out interesting, that's great. But the only way is really color coding there, isn't he? Man, this guy left me like no room. A split between these two, I guess. I'm coming. And this van now, that guy had a huge beard. So I just want to make YouTube videos. And I've had lots of apprehensions about doing it, and constantly thinking people are going to make fun of me, or they'll be like, oh, you're just copying somebody. And I don't care anymore. I'm sick and tired of waiting and trying to figure out what I want to do. I'm hoping just by doing it, I'll figure it out. I enjoy making videos. I've made a few. I've made more. Oh no, it's starting to rain. It's not good. Take it easy. So another quick tip on riding a motorcycle. When it starts raining, ride easy, ride calm, ride slower, ride where cars' wheels are going to hit. So you can kind of, I don't know if you can tell. Let's see, I'll do this. Look at that. That BMW is a complete asshole. So where the car tires are, falling on the road right here, you want to put your tires. It's the drier spot. You don't want to ride kind of like where the car's tires are not. Those are going to be the wetter spots. And roads are going to be the slickest right when it first starts raining, because the oils and such that are in the concrete are going to float to the top, because oils are lighter, or not lighter, what is it? Not as dense, I guess, as water. And they will rise to the top and make the roads slicker. Look at this. I hate this person. God, you're such an asshole. Anyway. Why is it raining now? So that's one thing. Another quick tip on riding a motorcycle that I learned later on. This BMW is a complete dick. Oh my god, it's actually really raining now. I haven't had to deal with this in a while. Should I flick them off? I feel like I should, but I won't. Oh man, this sucks. God dang it. Wow. This kind of sucks. Oh, I hope the BMW got stuck. Please tell me you got stuck. Where is it? Ah, he did. You got stopped at the red. What a dick. What an asshole. He deserves it. Alright. And we're back. After a little bit of a 8-hour hiatus, we are back on the motorcycle. Going home. Work day done. Cha-ching. So yeah, 170 days. Almost 169 days. Haha, 69. Y'all want to see some lane splitting? It's usually not that far back. Wonder if there's an accident. No. Not like they're going anywhere. You know, I've heard a few times people who consider moving out here, they say kind of the same thing. Is there really that much traffic? Yes, there really is. This isn't even bad traffic. This is the 405. And this is not bad. This is pretty good, actually. If you want bad traffic, I could show you bad traffic. The 5 at like 4 o'clock on a Friday. That's bad traffic. Hope everything is going well in your life. Hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of mine. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.